If your car has issues with unstable idle or the engine starts jerking, don't rush to the service center and spend hundreds of dollars. This mechanic shows how you can restore smooth engine performance with your own hands, right in your driveway. Using a Toyota V6 as an example, you'll see the entire process. First, the engine mount and plastic covers are removed to access the spark plugs and fuel rail. Next, the coils are unscrewed, spark plugs are taken out, and the fuel rail with injectors and the throttle body are removed. Then comes the main part, cleaning. The injectors are drained of leftover fuel, old rubber seals are replaced with new ones, and the throttle body is thoroughly cleaned with a special spray. The spark plugs are scrubbed clean. Some use a toothbrush, others even use kitchen degreaser, and it works surprisingly well. The injectors are soaked in a cleaning solution to dissolve varnish and carbon deposits, then carefully brushed and reinstalled with fresh seals lubricated with a bit of oil. Everything is assembled back in reverse order, and the engine starts right up. The result: smooth idle, no misfires, and no more jerking. This simple procedure saves you money, improves performance, and gives peace of mind knowing your engine is in top shape. Subscribe for more interesting and useful DIY car repair videos.